What's up, winners? Welcome back to another video.
Another one.
Today, we are diving into an exciting topic that's all about turning your dreams into reality. Going from dreaming to driving your dream car. I'm Victor Gatobu, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this transformative journey using the law of attraction, vision boards, and entrepreneurial pursuits, and smart financial strategies. So let's rev up our engines and start. It all begins with the law of attraction, a powerful force that helps us manifest our desires. By focusing your thoughts and energy on your dream car, you're setting the wheel in motion for its eventual arrival. Remember, positivity attracts positivity. Visualize yourself behind the wheel, feeling the leather seats and gripping the steering wheel. Now let's talk about a fantastic tool to accelerate your manifestation journey, the vision board. So grab some magazines, print out car pictures and gather materials. Arrange these visuals on a board, infusing it with your passion and determination. Place it somewhere you will see every day. Your bedroom, your office, or even your phone wallpaper. This visual reminder will keep you motivated and aligned with your goal. Turning your dream into reality requires practical steps. One powerful approach is starting a business. Whether it's a side hustle or a full-fledged venture, it can generate the funds you need for that dream car. Identify your strengths and passions. They can pave the way for a successful business venture that not only fuels your dreams, but also your bank account. So now let's talk finances. Saving strategically is essential. Set up a separate savings account solely for your dream car. Make it automatic, diverting a portion of your income each month. Discipline and consistency will accelerate your journey. Once you have saved up, research and make an informed decision. Remember, each penny saved brings you closer to your dream car. Thanks for tuning in. Stay driven, stay inspired. See you in the next video.